Hello everyone. Today we will talk about highest common factor. The HCF of the first question is 2, second is 3, and the HCF of the last one is 195. You must be wondering how did I get all the answers within few seconds? क्या आपको भी जानना है कि सिर्फ नंबर्स को देख के ही HCF कैसे निकाला जा सकता है? Do check this video out and improve your test time management. Watch this video till the end to see some exciting and interesting questions which you might have come across almost in every exams. So let's start with trick number 1. We will go according to this flow chart. So first two numbers are 16 and 20. Read the first step, get the least difference. Means we need to get the difference between these two. 20 minus 16 is 4. Moving on to the next step, check if the number divides rest of the numbers. Means हमें check करना है कि जो ये हमारे numbers हैं ये इस 4 से completely divide हो पा रहे हैं या नहीं. So let's check it out. 4 4s are 16. Yes. 4 5s are 20. So our answer is yes. That means your HCF is 4. This is your answer. Next one, 18 and 22. First step, get the least difference. 22 minus 18 is again 4. Check these two numbers are get completely divisible by 4 or not. So 18 divided by 4 not divisible. 22 divided by 4 not completely divisible. That is why what we have to do, we need to move on to the next step. Find its factors. So let's start with the highest factor. Factor of 4 is 2. Now check whether this 2 completely divides these two numbers or not. So 18 divided by 2 is 9 and 22 divided by 2 is 11. So yes, completely divisible. That's why 2 is our HCF. Next, third one. Again, this time we have three numbers. So get the difference between them. So 20 minus 4 is 16. 20 minus 26 is 6 and 26 minus 4 is 22. So we have to choose the least difference. Least difference is 6. So 6. Now check if this number divides rest of the numbers or not. So we can clearly see that 4 is not at all divisible by 6. So move on to the next step. We need to find out its factors. Factors of 6, you have to start with the highest factor. So let's start with 3. Check whether if these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. 4 is again not divisible by 3. Move on to the next factor, which is 2. Check 4, 20 and 26 all are even numbers. That's why all these numbers are divisible by 2. Therefore, the HCF will be 2. Now let's start trick number 2. Again, we will follow this flow chart. This flow chart is different from the first one. So let's go one by one. First question, 6, 12 and 18. These are three numbers. Choose the smallest number. सबसे छोटा है इनमें 6. Then check if that number divides rest of the numbers. क्या हमारे ये सारे बाकी नंबर 6 से डिवाइड हो पा रहे हैं? So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. So yes, that means HCF is that smallest number. That means 6 is your HCF. Next, 8, 20, 28 and 44. Four numbers. Check the smallest number, which is 8. So let's take 8. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हमें चेक करना है क्या ये हमारे बाकी नंबर्स 8 से डिवाइड हो पा रहे हैं. सो इट्स क्लियरली नो. In that case, what do we need to do? We need to find out the factors of 8. So again, we have to start with the highest factor first. So highest factor of 8 is 4. Again, check whether all these numbers are gets completely divided by 4 or not. So 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28 and 4 11s is 44. So 4 is our answer. Moving on to the next one. 30, 42, 165. Three numbers. Choose the smallest one and which is 30. So take 30. Now check if these numbers are get completely divisible by 30 or not. So it's clearly no. So let's find out the factors of 30, which are 15, 10, 6, 5, 3 and 2. चलिए अब हम देखते हैं कि इनमें से कौन से नंबर इन तीन नंबर्स को completely divide कर रहे हैं. So 15 clearly no, 10 You can check the divisibility rule. For a number to get divisible by 10, it must have 0 at the units place. So no 6, no 5, no 42 is not divisible by 5. According to the divisibility rule, that for a number to get divided by 5, it must have 0 or 5 at the units place. So no. 3, 30 is divisible by 3, yes. 42 is again divisible. 165 is also divisible by 3. Now let's take few large numbers. The fourth is 1365, 1560, and 1755. Among these, smallest number is 1365. Now we need to get the factors of 1365. So let's do the factors right here. So first, it can be divisible by 3, and here it will 445 will come. This is prime factorization method. Again, we will divide it by 5. You will get 91. Then 91 will get divided by 7, and that's how you will get 13. So now the factors of 1365 are 3, 5, 7 and 13. अब हमें चेक करना है कि इनमें से किन किन नंबर से हमारे ये लार्ज नंबर्स कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल हैं. तो चलिए चेक करते हैं. 3. Yes, all the numbers are divisible by 3. So first take 3, then check for 5. Yes, all the numbers are divisible by 5. 7, no. 13, yes, all three numbers are divisible by 13 also. So 3, 5 and 13. So just multiply all these numbers. By multiplying, you'll get 195 at the end. So 195 is your HCF. Moving on to the last question. In this example, you can see that we have 0 in all the numbers. So just cancel out these zeros first. Now your new numbers are 336, 224 and 560. Now, first step, get the least number, which is 224. Next step, get its factors. The factors of 224, we have to start with the highest factor. The highest factor of 224 is 112. अब हमें ये चेक करना है कि 112 से ये सारे नंबर्स डिवाइड हो पा रहे हैं कि नहीं. अब देखेंगे कि ये सारे नंबर्स 112 से डिविजिबल हैं. तो क्या 112 हमारा फाइनल आंसर है? नहीं. आपको याद होगा कि हमने सबसे 0 कैंसिल आउट किया था. So just multiply 112 by 10 and you will get your HCF. So HCF is 1120. That's your final answer.